Hello, hi, welcome to Angloscope with Valerie Marzak. Let's speak English. Come on, you can do it. Hi guys, hello, welcome back. I'm sorry, I've had the flu. I've got to work too, so I'm a little bit late. I think last time I made a video was 2 weeks ago. Really, so sorry. Today we are going to speak about the present in English. There are two different kinds of present, the simple present and the progressive present. We're going to try and know how to use them, when to use the simple present and when to use the progressive present. But before we start, our challenge from last time was, what's the meaning of I'm fed up? Well, if I'm fed up, it means I've had enough. For example, oh, I'm fed up with working. It means I don't want to work anymore. It's a useful expression to know. Let me sit down, I'm not comfy here. Hold on 1 second. I'm too tall for my board, as you can see, so I'll shorten myself. Better? Can you see now? Good. So, the simple present is used when we talk about a habit, something which happens in general, or something regular. For example, I think about watching this film every day. If I think about watching this film every day, it's regular, so I have to use the simple present. How do we use the simple present? Well, I've given you an example here with the verb to think. Let's have a look together. I think. You think. He, she, it thinks. Be very careful. Third person with he, she or it. You must add an S at the end of the verb. We think, you think, they think. So this is the simple present when we're talking about something which happens regularly or in general or is a habit. Now, if something is happening right now, we can't use the simple present. We have to use the progressive present, which is also called present be plus verb plus ing, because this is the way to build it in a sentence. This tense is used for an action which is happening right now or very, very soon, but mostly right now at this present time. We'll use the same verb and start with the first person, I am thinking. As you can see, I use a subject here, pronoun, I. Then I use the verb be in the right form. After I, it's am. Then I use my verb, think, and I add ing, which is why it's usually called present be plus verb plus ing. Let's see the second person. You, pronoun, then the verb be, which is an auxiliary here, in the right person, are, plus my verb, think, plus ing. You are thinking. This is how to build the progressive present. Let's repeat it together. I'm thinking. You are thinking. He, she, it is thinking. We are thinking, you are thinking, they are thinking. Ready? Careful, because an exercise is coming. See you in a minute. Did you think that was it for today? Of course not. We need to practice now. So, let's try and solve these sentences together. Either we'll use the simple present if it's a habit or something general or regular, or we'll use present be plus verb plus ing if it's something happening right now. Sentence number 1. Let me sit down. It will be easier for me. Sentence number 1. They to have meetings twice a week. So how do we decide if it's going to be the simple present or the progressive present? Well, we have twice a week. If something happens twice a week, it's something regular. Therefore, we'll need to use the simple present and say, they have meetings twice a week. Sentence number 2. Sorry, Mr. Jones, to work. Call again in half an hour. Well, if I have to call again in half an hour, it means that Mr. Jones is working right now. So I have to use present be plus verb plus ing. Mr. Jones is working. Sentence number 3. She to think that planes are dangerous. We could also say that flying is dangerous. Well, this is a general statement, which is always true. So if it's general, we'll have to use the simple present and say, she thinks that planes are dangerous, or that flying is dangerous. Number 4. I to think about anything right now. Right now. It's right now. Can't be the simple present. Has to be present be plus verb plus ing. Right now. Therefore, I'm not thinking. You can't see this. Let me write it again properly. Wait. Make myself small. Shh. Don't look at me, look at the whiteboard. I'm not thinking. I'm not here. I'm not thinking about anything right now. I to rest. Well, if I'm not thinking about anything right now, I am resting right now. So again, progressive present, I am resting. 6. You to look good. Well, this one is a bit tricky actually, but we have an exclamation mark, so it means that someone is talking to someone right now. So you would say, you are looking good, using the progressive present. Really, how can you read this? Let me write it again for you. You are looking good. How do I know that I have to use present be plus verb plus ing? Well, because I have this exclamation mark, as I've just said, it means it's happening right now. Sentence number 7. This phone to ring all day long. Well, if it's all day long, it's not right now. It's something like a habit or something regular. Therefore, I'll use the simple present and say, this phone rings all day long. Well, that's it for this exercise. I hope you're not fed up with me, but this is an important exercise. There are 2 presents in English, and you must make sure that you use them properly, otherwise it simply won't work. So remember, simple present, habit, general, or something regular. Progressive present or present be plus verb plus ing for an action which is taking place right now, at this present time. Now, a small challenge for next week maybe. You can tell me the meaning of I haven't got a clue. This is a very useful expression to know. Don't be shy. Write it down in the comments. Try and find out what it means. And we'll see next time if you got it right. I'll try to be back next week. It may be a week and a half as I can, but I promise to be back. Next time we'll talk about the preterite tense. This is an important tense to know. The difference between the preterite tense and the present perfect will come too. And then we'll talk about the progressive form in the past. But little by little and step by step, we'll get there. See you next time. Practice this exercise. As usual, I'll take pictures of the whiteboard. Why do I want this to be black? She's mad. So I'll take pictures of the whiteboard without the answers, okay? And you can try and do this exercise again at home. Until next time, bye, take care.